It's that time of year. I got a new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and you know the first thing I need to get? My Loopy Case. So I'm super happy Loopy sent this over, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max case with a couple new loops, as well as a charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. Super awesome, looks well made, and a screen protector as well. So they have a lifetime warranty on there. Here is the case, looking sharp. This is the clear matte. They don't have a ton of options for men, in my opinion, but this one here seems to fit the bill. I do like the clear case. It seems well built. It seems like they keep getting better and better each year as far as protection goes. But honestly, you'll never drop your phone because you have a loop. Here it is with my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I went with the blue color instead of the orange. My wife kind of talked me out of the orange. And I don't know, what do you guys think? It looks all right. There is a cutout over the camera, so the camera is not protected up there. It's just left open, but there is a lip around the edge, so it shouldn't touch when you lay it down or anything. Also, the little camera button on the side is left open as well, so you can touch that and has no issues controlling the camera. Overall, it's another solid case by Loopy. I highly recommend it. Look below in the description for a coupon code where you can get a discount on your very own. Thanks, guys.